Mastering the Basics. Door Installation Explained. Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning and processes involved in door installation. Whether you're curious about how it's done, or you're planning to undertake this task yourself, this video will guide you through the essentials of installing a door, ensuring that you're well informed every step of the way. Door installation refers to the process of attaching a door to its frame, making sure it opens and closes properly. It's a task that requires precision and care, involving various components such as the door itself, hinges, screws, and sometimes additional features like locks or door handles. Before diving into the installation, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a door, hinges, screws and screwdriver, drill, level, tape measure. Ensuring you have these at hand will make the installation process smoother and more efficient. Preparation is key to a successful installation. Start by 1. Measuring the door and frame to ensure a good fit. 2. Preparing the door by attaching hinges and handles. 3. Ensuring the frame is ready by checking it's straight and level. Taking the time to prepare properly will save you from potential issues later on. Now, let's get to the actual installation. 1. Position the door in the frame, using wedges to keep it at the right height. 2. Fix the hinges to the frame, double-checking that everything is aligned. 3. Check the door's operation, ensuring it opens and closes smoothly. Patience and attention to detail are your best friends during this stage. And there you have it. Door installation might seem daunting at first, but with the right tools, preparation, and a bit of patience, it's definitely something you can accomplish. We hope this video has shed light on the process and helps you with your door installation projects. Remember, taking it step by step is the key. Until next time, happy DIYing!